Hey there, Fripickers! Today, we're exploring the logo jungle. And trust me, it's way more than just a snazzy picture representing a brand. It's about to get interesting, so buckle up. Let's start with the different types of logos that we can find in a branding design catalog. Wordmarks give the brand's name that distinctive touch by experimenting with fonts and design elements. Just look at Freepik's logo. That inverted eye adds a whole new dimension, symbolizing creative freedom and the excitement of brilliant ideas. That's not all. You can find logos with pictorial designs, with illustrations and icons that represent the brand itself. When you're creating a logo, it's important to think about where and how it will be used. That's why, no matter what kind of logo it is, you should pin down the following specific details. The first thing to keep in mind is the safety zone, the space you should leave between the logo and other elements. Usually, a part of the logo itself helps define this space, just like this. Another key point to remember is scalability, and this one's a big deal. A logo should keep its charm no matter where it's used or how big or small it appears. Take a cue from Freepik. They even have a nifty isotype for those smaller logo moments. Last but not least, color combinations. Selecting the right color palette is key, especially considering where it will pop up. For example, Freepik offers a variety of palettes to ensure the logo always looks sharp and catches the eye. But don't stop here. You can look for inspiration using Freepik's AI image generator. Just give it a friendly nudge with the right prompt, and you'll be amazed by the fantastic references you can achieve. Remember to have fun and let your creativity flow. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to dive deeper into the world of branding. Until next time, take care